Arrange drawing inside a layout. Already we created a title block. This A3 same title block I am going to use here also. And before that, this one we don't want, so I just select and delete it. We need this one only, so I just double click here, zoom and extend. This one we are going to arrange inside layout. If you go to the layout, by default you will get it like this, but we don't want this one. I just select and delete it. Now go to the layout, page setup manager, and go to the modify. Select here which printer you want, and I select here ISO full bleed E3 420 into 297. Other all the thing keep as it is, and I change here monochrome and okay, and here it is okay, everything is okay, so simply close. Now go to this title block, Control Shift C, and I click this corner, enter, select this one, enter, and go to this view and Control V, 0, 0, enter. Now it is placed exactly inside this printable area. Now go to the layout. Here we have option base view. Select this base view, and here it is the base view, it is ready. So now where you want you can place it your base view. I just place it here, and if you enter again you can make another view also, so I just place it another view, and I place it another view, again enter. Now all the views are ready. Similar way you can make projected view also. We need the 3D view. 3D view you can use this projected view. If you select this projected view you can make the 3D view, but this type of 3D view if you made means you can just click here and cancel. Sorry, I just go to the projected view, select this one and just click here and enter. So now it is ready, but in this way if you made means what we made the dimensions, that dimensions you never get here. So if you need the dimensions also, so just use, go to the rectangle option, select this rectangle option, and I just click like this. The dimension is ready, we have. So select this one, and which scale you want you can make changes in the scale. I click here and I crop like this, and this also how you need you can crop and place it like this. And this one style, visual style, if you want to change, double click here and select, double click here, you can see the style you can see, and I just click here which style you want you can select, and hidden or conceptual or shaded with gray, like that. A lot of options available. Which options you want you can select using this one, and double click outside, it is ready. Now you will get it the dimensions and other all the views. So this is the way you can arrange 3D model drawing inside layout.